What's going on, you guys? Charlie here from MAPerformance, and in today's video we're going to be changing out these stock wheels from the WRX with some Enkei wheels. You guys are going to have to wait to see what they are, or if you're impatient, you can click that link down in the description below, take you to our site where you can get those exact same wheels, or just skip to find out what they are. But don't do that until at the end of the video, because it's going to transform the look of this WRX. As you guys saw in the last video, we put this front lip on the car. We are going to be putting the side skirts on in a little bit, but first we're showing you guys how we selected the wheels we purchased. Stay tuned.
Where did you go? How come you up and left? Talking all shit to your friends. Waking up cold, got no one to impress. I said bye, 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 bye to all your bad vibes, all your wild lies. Put them to the side, yeah. Hold on, it'll be alright. Running, you were all I needed back then, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I didn't change, I said you just stay the same.
All right, you guys, so Tiny and I finally got the new wheels on, and here they are. They look absolutely phenomenal. Now, just to fill you guys in on a little mishap that happened here, was that somehow I got the part numbers wrong and ordered 5x108 wheels for this car. We actually planned on filming this video weeks ago. However, with going to California, then like Black Friday, Cyber Monday craziness, putting these new wheels on just kind of got put on the back burner, but they're on the car now. I did end up going with 8.5s as opposed to 9.5s, so the tires are just a little bit beefy, but honestly I think it looks really good. I personally love the look. It may not be the proper tire and wheel setup that somebody would necessarily run, but these are 18 by 8.5 plus 38 Enkei NTO3Ms, and like I said, even with the slightly beefier tire, the 255s, I really like them. I like the look of this. I think it gives it a little bit more of an aggressive tire look as opposed to just like a big poke. So sorry to the guys who are more into, you know, the other look. This is what I like personally, and I think it looks great. I think it looks absolutely great. Outside of that, guys, we did go with the Falcon Zenith tires. Gonna probably try to start running these on a lot of the shop cars. It's a really good compound that I know on the track we've heard great things. On the street, obviously, they perform phenomenally. So great tire, great looking wheel, great setup. Like we saw in the last video, we got this front lip on. So with the coilovers, the wheels, and that front lip, the thing's starting to come along. We're gonna go ahead and do the side skirts next. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that in the next video that's gonna come out. But these are the Saibon MB style side skirts. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. We got it sitting on our Christmas tree over here. But these are gonna help give the car a super aggressive look. Just to let you guys know, we do also have the Saibon hood. I can't remember exactly which spec it is, but it's like the super aggressive one. We've got the C-style trunk coming and a Saibon diffuser that we're installing in the next video. So we'll see you guys when you tune into that one. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys liked this type of content from us, make sure you leave us a comment down below, give us a big old thumbs up on the video, and subscribe for more content just like this. And as I said in the beginning of the video, if you're interested in getting these wheels for your car, check out the link in the description, because it'll take you straight to our site where you can get the right ones instead of being an idiot like me and buying 5x108 wheels. So making it easy on you. We'll see you next time, guys. Peace.
Running, you were all I needed back then, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I didn't change, I said you just stay the same.